Hi, my name is Lacy Starnes and I'm the instructional coach here at Horn High School. We've got a lot of good things happening here to bring in innovation to our campus. One of the first things that we did was actually build a student advisory board as well as a teacher advisory board where both teachers and students are sitting down to talk about what does innovation look like at a school level as well as a classroom level. One of the bigger changes we're about to make is that in our staff development room, we're going to be changing that into a classroom of the future. We are bringing in all new furniture, all new technology, all new colors, design, and it will allow our teachers to bring in their classes and lead lessons in what will be a future innovative classroom. They can use the space differently, they can use different technology, work in different collaborative groups. I think it'll be a pretty cool thing. The other thing that I specifically work on is the Student Advisory Board. This is a great group of kids. They were nominated by teachers and they sat down for personal interviews with me. We have met 2 times now and we've discussed some of the major issues that we're seeing in our school. We want a school where kids can be curious, where they can create, where they can imagine. And so what are the barriers that are causing this to not happen? So we've got a lot of things going on. Specifically, we've got something called Project Inspire. And that is, how can the school environment better inspire and engage students? We talked about painting murals, we talked about collaborative art projects, we've talked about different learning spaces outside, using our hallway space. How can we use what we have to inspire kids to create and imagine more? Another thing that we have going on is Project Breaking the Barrier. Breaking that barrier between teacher and student, breaking that barrier in not being able to create like they should be able to create. And so we've got a lot of great things happening, talking about student feedback systems and allowing students to have an input on what they're doing, as well as really figuring out how to help teachers deliver instruction that is more about the why and not so much about the what. So, and that's just the beginning of things. So we've got great things happening. The Teacher Council is meeting this week for their first official meeting, and we're really looking forward to seeing positive changes on campus.